The mega IPO rush is showing absolutely no signs of slowing down. In fact, the RBI has said that 2021 could be the year of IPOs. And why not? Already in this calendar year, we have seen 38 IPOs hit the street, and these companies have together raised, hold your breath, a whopping 71,800 crore rupees. Yes, that's right. An additional 25 to 30 more companies are expected to come out with IPOs in the remaining months of 2021. And that's ranging from food delivery to digital services, payment banks to even niche segments. Companies just don't want to miss the chance to raise funds amid the investor frenzy. But are you having the fear of missing out on these new listings that are giving tremendous returns to investors? Well, before you go ahead and dive right in, here are quick key factors that you must look at before investing in IPOs. Firstly, learn the past to understand the future. Check the company's profile and the background. An investor must know the financial history of the company and evaluate its performance over the past few years to understand its growth potential. This research will also throw in some light on why the company is really coming out with an IPO and where it wants to really use the money collected from the public, that is for expansion or just to pay loans. And don't forget to check on the previous fundings and the primary investors as well. Second of all, check for valuation. A company's valuation is one of the most important factors that an investor has to really consider before applying for an IPO. The best way to evaluate is to compare its price with that of its peers and see whether the company is fairly valued or not. Next is short-term versus long-term. Reason out with yourself. Why are you really investing in this IPO? Is it only for listing gains, or do you thoroughly believe in the company's long-term potential for growth and that the stock can actually perform in the long term as well? And next in comes thorough research. You must conduct thorough research about and find out what the company is all about, who are its promoters, what are its financing options and the competitors, and how well is it placed in the industry at large. Read its DRHP. Most of the fine prints about the company are actually contained in its prospectus, so do read that. And lastly, be cautious about oversubscriptions. A company offers a limited number of shares during an IPO, and the allocation of shares to each category of investors is also pre-decided. So sometimes the number of applications made for the IPO can be much higher than the number of shares offered to investors. But the allotment of shares among applicants is actually done quite proportionately, and it is possible that you may get fewer shares than you had applied for or none at all. So it is wise to be cautious about oversubscription and do not get carried away by any hype while investing in the IPOs.